Best Phone Magnifying Screen Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular phone screen magnifiers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this screen magnifier so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this phone magnifier. The one that made our list is the Chage's cell phone screen magnifier. This super sleek Zen style design folds flat when not in use. The foldable front cover protects the magnifier from knocks, dust and scratches when kept. This 12-inch magnifier amplifies your phone screen for an optimal viewing experience. And the enhanced acrylic material makes sure you get crystal clear viewing every single time. The open design means it works with all phone sizes. So to check out the full specs of the Chage's cell phone screen magnifier and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/magnifyphone. Here's a quick look at this screen magnifier. So there you have it, the Chage's cell phone screen magnifier. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the entire set, and its overall functionality, we feel that this screen magnifier is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Chage's cell phone screen magnifier and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/magnifyphone. Alright, thank you for watching.